We have been able in 2 weeks' time to get 25,000 Chromebooks from schools. Rather than having them sit there, we wanted to get those shipped out to our students. We have sanitized, we've prepped those. We actually are printing labels today. We're going to send a first shipment tomorrow. There'll be another shipment next week. So once we put the labels on, we're organizing those by zip code. And then the post office will be shipping those out, and they'll actually go to the home, and someone will need to sign for those once they get to the guardians.
What I'm doing is I'm taking the household ID that we have on each label, and I'm just associating the asset tag for the machine with that household ID, so we're tracking what households are getting which machines.
It has been monumental. A lot of people have depended on our technology department, and they have just stepped up, and it's really united our JCPS family and our team to be able to do that. So, but most importantly is a lot of families are dependent on us to get these devices in the hands of kids.
We're getting the Chromebooks ready for the students to be able to use. And I'm at Hawthorne Elementary Grade School. Starting next week, we're going to do the NTI learning online. So I'll be teaching 45 students online starting Tuesday. And it's going to be a lot of fun.
It just makes me proud. It makes me proud of the people who are continuing to do the work and continuing to put these in the hands of students. And then it makes me excited when you see all the work and the the content that's going to be delivered to our students through NTI. It's just top quality. And so to be able to see what that part has been delivered in just a short amount of time, plus the hardware that's going to be in the hands of our kids, it's really exciting. I look at this as a disruptive innovation for our district. So this is really, it's not that something we would want to have done this quick, but it is going to actually catapult us into online learning. So this is just helping us to realize how important that is now.
Today we do boxing.